in this video you can learn about physical capacities in elderly, but one means that the physical capacities is a quality or condition associated with an action and is improved by training. And in elderly, these capacities are strength, flexibility, endurance, equilibrium, and body mass index. And you can evaluate these capacities applying the senior fitness test that is especially for older people. And if you want to learn how to apply this test, you can click here on this link. And to improve these capacities in strength, you have variables intensities that is taking account the percent and some sets and different reps. And the frequency for improve this capacity is 2-3 times per week. In endurance, the intensity is 15 and 85% of heart rate max. The duration is 30 minutes and 16 minutes per day, and frequency 2-3 times per week. The flexibility, you can improve this capacity. It's taking account the range of movement. The duration is 30 seconds to 1 minute for each muscle group, and the frequency is all days. The equilibrium, you have apply instability exercise, and the same like in flexibility. It's 30 seconds to 1 minute with eyes closed and open, and the frequency is 3 or 5 times per week. If you wanna improve the body mass index in the older people, you have strength, more endurance training. What is important to improve these capacities? Well, in strength is to prevent sarcopenia, that is the loss of muscle mass, and dynapenia, that is a loss of strength by age. The equilibrium and flexibility is to prevent the risk of falls, and the endurance is to improve fatigue resistance, that is to improve the VO2 max, and the body mass index is to prevent obesity, sarcopenia obesity, and cardiometabolic disease such as hypertension. Well, now you know that it's really important to improve all physical capacities in elderly to get better quality of life. Thank you.